So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 30 best meme coins for this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. This channel I already share you many meme coins, but in this single video I will share you top 30 meme coins for this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion that has really 1000x potential. And I'm also holding these meme coins. I will show you also. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, our first meme coin is Dogecoin because this list start with high market and low risky coins to low market and high risky coins. So video is going to be very amazing here. Current market $25 billion and current price $0.16. Dogecoin has definitely potential to reach at least $5 to $10 price in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion, and reason is only Elon Musk. Okay, friends, because Elon Musk is also promoting Dogecoin time. So that's why it's possible that we can see Dogecoin. Okay, up to $5 to maybe $10 in this year's super cycle mega bullion. You can see friends, launched in 2015. So Dogecoin was the first ever meme coin in cryptocurrency market and already listed on almost all central exchanges. So I think Dogecoin has potential to be the number one meme coin in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. I think Doge can hit $5 to $10 price here. I'm also holding 150 Dogecoin. Okay, on Trust Wallet, but on other different central exchanges, I'm also holding. But these 150 coins, I will sell out when one Dogecoin will hit $5 to $10 a year. Friends, a second meme coin is Flokino, one of my most favorite meme coin. You can see 0.4 times 0.56 current price, current market 546 million. Okay, right now because Inter crypto market is dumping, so its price is also dump here. 10 trillion supply, almost all in circulation. Coin initially launched on BNB chain. After that, on Solana also you can see not just a meme coin but a gamify, NFT, metaverse, Plato, and okay, so Flokino has definitely also potential to be the next big meme coin. As we are already at 3% down than its all-time high, but friends, I think we can see Flokino and this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion with just two zeros. Okay, Floki has still potential to kill two zeros and can reach 0.00 $5 price, but I think Floki has still potential to kill two zeros because already listed on all central exchanges. You can see friends, coin has currently four zeros, but I think Floki has potential to kill two zeros and can give us a good profit here. First number third is bread. Okay, I'm holding bread on Get.io exchange. 3,500 bread coins. Okay, you can see, and bread is base ecosystem's first meme coin, first frog theme meme coin in base ecosystem. So that's why bread cannot be ignored in this list. Current market right now only 300 million, only already hit $1 billion market, and bread has still potential I think to reach at least $50 billion market. Okay, current market is just 300 million, but definitely bread has potential to reach at least $50 billion market. You can see friends, we are at 86% down in its all-time high. There was $0.23. Okay, and right now its price is $0.03. So Brett has also potential to do something amazing, and Get.io Coinbase is already list this coin. Still, Binance listing is left for this meme coin. So definitely, when Binance will list Brett at that time, Brett can perform amazing here. Number fourth is Turbo $0.0017 current price. Current market right now only 122 million. Already hit $1 billion market, and recently Binance has also list this coin, and the Turbo no doubt can perform amazing. You can see friends, AI meme coin. There was the I think first AI meme coin. After Turbo, we see a massive hype for AI meme coins at 7% down in its all-time high. They were 4 months ago, and already killed two zeros since its launching. So this is good friends. You can see Binance has listed Coinbase. So Turbo has also potential to reach at least $30 billion market cap here. It's really possible that we can see Turbo from just 122 to maybe $30 billion market cap in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. Friends, our next meme coin is Sundog Tron ecosystem meme coin. Okay, high market cap, high trading volume in Tron ecosystem $0.045 current price, current market cap 45 million and 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. This coin is still not listed on Binance Coinbase. but definitely Sundog has potential to be the next listing for both central exchanges. We are 88% down the initial time high and only 60% up the initial time low. So this not good performance. But friends, you can see some US regulated central exchanges is also list this coin, but still there's no Binance Coinbase listing for this coin. But definitely this coin has potential to be the next listing for Binance and Coinbase. And we can see Sundog market from just 45 million to maybe $20 billion here. I think Sundog can reach $20 billion market. Our next meme coin is Shooting Hippo. Okay, Su ecosystem meme coin, $0.004 current price. Current market is nearly 41 million. You can see $40.9 million market. This is good. And friends, we are 86% down the initial time high. They were 5 months ago. So right now, as all meme coins are in massive dip, so this meme coin is also, you can see Gadget.io, Bitget has listed, Binance Futures has also listed this coin, but not Binance Spot and Coinbase. But maybe when we see massive hype for Sui ecosystem again, at that time this coin can be listed on Binance and Coinbase. Friends, the next meme coin is again base ecosystem cat theme meme coin. Brad was frog theme meme coin, but Toshi is cat theme meme coin in base ecosystem 0.3 times 0 to $4. Current market 102 million. Market is no doubt good because still this coin is also not listed on Binance. We are 90% down the initial time high at that time. Okay, 2 months ago when Coinbase list Toshi, it all time high price it was $0.002. After that, entire crypto market crashed and Toshi is right now almost 90% down the install time high. You can see friends, Kraken, Bybit, Coinbase is listed, but it's still not on Binance. But maybe we can see Toshi listing on Binance, and I think Toshi can hit at least 20 to maybe $30 billion market from just 102 million to maybe 20 to $30 billion. Friends, Dogelon Mars, our next meme coin is Dogelon Mars. After Filokino, this is another my favorite meme coin. I'm holding Doge Lawn since 2021, and coin has currently 6 zeros in its price, already listed in Kraken Exchange, but not on Binance Coinbase yet. But recently, Binance Exchange also buy Elon coins, so maybe in this year we can see its listing on Binance Coinbase. $69 million market. So this is amazing, friends. 4 years old meme coin and still its trading volume is 4.5 million and market cap is $69 million. This is really amazing. After Shiba Inu's hype, this meme coin was created here, and it's also on Ethereum chain. You can see Elon Musk inspired coin. We are 95% down than its all-time high. There was in 2021 in Mega Bullion. After that, we are currently down here. You can see these are some central exchanges that has list this coin. Kraken has also listed, Gemini has list, you can see friends, Gemini, Kraken has list, and Binance maybe list this coin this year. And I think Dogecoin coin has potential to kill at least 3 zeros, maybe can reach 8 to 10 billion market cap in this year super cycle mega bullion and can kill 3 zeros here. Friends, our next meme coin is another frog theme meme coin. Its name is Pipey. 0.7 times $0.34 current price. Current market cap is just 14 million. Okay, only 14 million market cap. $1.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is also good. Ethereum ecosystem meme coins just like Pepe. I didn't add Pepe in this list because of Bread and Pipey because both are I think low cap and best potentially strong coins than Pepe, and because Pepe is already listed on Binance and these both meme coins are still not listed on Binance, so high chances that we can see Bread and Pipey listing on Binance this year. They are 91% down the initial time high. They were 9 months ago, and only 69% of the initial time low, already listed on some base central exchanges. You can see friends, almost 20 central exchanges has listed this coin. This is Chinese version of Pepe coin, so we cannot ignore Pipe also for this year super cycle meme coins mega bullion, and DaVinci is also promoting Pipe coin. So I think definitely this meme coin has potential to reach at least 1 to maybe $3 billion market cap, and we can see Pipe to kill 3 zeros here. Friends, next is Kango. First KRC20 meme coin in this list. Okay, Kango is one of my favorite meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem and Caspa ecosystem. You can see four zeros in its price. Repeat, 4 times 0, $4 current price. Super low cap meme coin. That's why I put some higher risk coins in this list also. And no doubt, then these coin maybe can be the next 10,000x potential also. Current market cap you can see just 4 million. Okay, only 4 million market cap, very low trading volume because very few central exchange have list this coin. We are 90% down than its all-time high. Look friends, 90% down than its all-time high. I'm holding this coin on MEX exchange. If you have not MEX exchange account yet, I will provide you the link. You can join MEX. CoinX is listed, Pollenx is listed, GrooveX is listed, and Axie.com. Kango has definitely potential to be the next minimum 100 and maximum 10,000x potential meme coin. But friend, before further meme coins, if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel for other cryptocurrency updates here, for meme coins, signal updates here. Just like I told you that some of my favorite meme coins are in massive dip right now, and many other crypto updates on my Telegram channel. So you can also join my Telegram channel. And if you like my content, then you can also support Sky Crypto channel. You can see I provided these my crypto addresses links in my Telegram channel. You have to just copy these addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel. You have to click here in pinned message. You can get my addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel. Friends, our next meme coin is Pengu coin. Okay, Solana ecosystem meme coins represent $0.046. Current market right now only 295 million. Okay, only 295 million, already hit I think $3 to $4 billion market. But right now Pengu is in massive dip here. I can see 93% down in its all-time high. 93% down, and Pengu is already listed on Binance Coinbase. Just 2 days ago, meme coin was in its all-time low. We are only 4% up than its all-time low. Gate.io, Coinbase, Binance, mostly central exchanges has list this coin. So Pengu has definitely potential to be the next at least 20 to maybe $50 billion market coin. Right now is a massive dip here and on its all-time low also. But definitely Pengu has potential to be the next $1 billion crypto. I think from 20 to maybe $50 billion market. So next meme coin is Ladies coin. This is one of my also other favorite meme coin. Current coin has currently 7 zeros in its price, but 7 times 0 $33. 29 million market cap. Okay, $29 million market cap, only $5.4 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. This meme coin is also 92% down than its all-time high. They were 1 year ago. So I think Ladies right now in massive dip here. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. It's still not on Binance Coinbase. But friends, definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for Binance and Coinbase, and Ladies has potential to be the next maybe 5 to $10 billion market cap coin, but from just 29 million to maybe 5 to $10 billion market cap, and can kill at least 4 zeros here. So our next meme coin is Caspi, another KRC20 meme coin, another Caspa ecosystem meme coin. Coin has currently 5 zeros in its price, 5 times 0 $6 current price. Super low cap meme coin, only 2 million market cap right now, and it's because entire crypto market dumping, so its price is also dump here. This is a charity meme coin and KRC20 meme coin, dog theme meme coin, sorry, cat theme meme coin. We are 93% down in its all-time high. That was 6 months ago. Okay, right now coin has 5 zeros, but when it's back its all-time high, coin has killed 1 zero. So this is good performance from this coin. And also right now we are on its all-time low also, just 9%. Okay, only 9% up than its all-time low. So Caspi right now in massive dip. 5 central exchanges is a little list Caspi, and maybe some more central exchanges can list this coin. Friends, our next meme coin is Elon Musk inspired meme coin. Okay, Elon Musk changed his profile to Cacias coin. After that, this meme coin make a massive hype in crypto market. In Cacias name, $0.02 current price, $23 million market right now. And definitely KKS is also potential to be the next big meme coin. You can see friends, Spotify meme coin, AI parody, Elon Musk inspired meme coin, DeSci meme coin. So this is amazing. We are 94% down in its all-time high. Okay, 94% down in its all-time high. So right now KKS is also in massive dip here. And I think this meme coin can be the next maybe Shiba Inu, just like Elon Musk did with Shiba Inu in 2021 bull run. and this year maybe Elon Musk can again promote KKS coin, and at that time KKS can be the next listing for Binance and Coinbase also. So the next meme coin is one of my most favorite meme coin. This is a new meme coin and my most favorite meme coin in this list. More favorite than Floki and Dogelon and ladies. Shiro Nico is name, Shiro is symbol, 0.7 times $1 current price, current market right now only 11 billion. Already hit $1 billion market, but the recent market crash is market is just 11 million only. $2 million trading volume. Cat theme meme coin in Ethereum ecosystem. You can see friends 97% down in its all-time high. Okay, that was 9th December last year and we are 97% down, and right now we are on its all-time low. Just I think 40 minutes ago this meme coin hit its all-time low. So Shiru is right now in massive dip. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed, and I think Binance will list Shiru this year also. Shiru has potential to be the again next $1 billion market. I think Shiru can hit 20 to maybe $30 billion market, and Shiru can kill at least 4 zeros here. So the next meme coin is Chill Guy. Okay, Chill Guy is also in massive dip here and $0.02 current price, current market cap just in 3 million only. Okay, just in 3 million market cap, and we are 96% down in its all-time high. There's $0.6 and current market cap is just $0.02 current price. So chill guys also in massive dip here, already listed in Binance Future. Okay, Binance Futures is also list this coin, and many other best central exchanges has list this coin. So maybe Binance Spot and Coinbase can list this coin soon in this year. Maybe we can see chill guy listing on both central exchanges, and this meme coin has also potential to be the next 10 to 20 billion dollars market cap coin. So the next meme coin is Cat in a Dog's First. Mu symbol 0.002 current price, 246 million market cap. Market cap is amazing for this coin. We are only 78% down in its all-time high, as we have many Binance listed meme coins are 90 to 95% down, but this meme coin is only 78% down, so very stable coin, no jump too much here. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed: Upbit, Bitget, 2bit, Bybit. Many major central exchanges has list this coin, and maybe Binance can also list this coin, and Mayu has also potential to be the next 20 to maybe $30 billion market coin. Next one is also another Kathy meme coin in Solana ecosystem. Its name is Maniki. Current price $0.001, 9 million market cap only. So Maniki is also in massive dip here, only 9 million market cap. We are 96% down than its all-time high and only 8% up than its all-time low. They were 2 days ago already listed on these central exchanges. Bitfinex, a major central exchange, has already listed this coin. Crypto.com has listed, and maybe this coin can be the next listing for many other major central exchanges and can be the next 3 to maybe $5 billion market cap coin. So the next meme coin is Sharp coin, another Elon Musk inspired coin. $0.0037 per current price. Market cap is just 3.5 million. This is highly risky meme coin. Okay, because friends, you can see we are 98% down than its all-time high. Okay, so massive jump in this coin price. Okay, 98% down, but high risk means high reward also. These are some central exchanges where Sharp is listed, but this meme coin has definitely potential to be the next maybe $1 to $3 billion market cap. First, next one is an other Solana ecosystem cat theme meme coin. This is Da Vinci's cat. Its name is Waffle. $0.0021 current price, 2.1 million market cap only. Super low cap meme coin. Okay, we are 95% down than its all-time high. They were 10 months ago and only 57% up than its all-time low. These are some central exchanges: MEXC, Tabbit, BingX, LBank, and Bitmart. Only 5 central exchanges have listed this coin. But definitely, as Da Vinci is promoting this coin, so we cannot ignore Waffles also. I have Waffles. I'm holding this coin on MEX exchange, but in very low amount. I'm not getting high risk in this meme coin. But friends, no doubt, Waffles can be the next big crypto also. First, the next meme coin is Pong coin. Okay, the current price $0.8, current market 48 million dollars market is still for this coin. This is good. We're almost 90% down in its all-time high. They were 5 months ago. Coin is already listed on many base central exchanges. They can see Bybit, HTX, and Bitnix has listed. KuCoin, Bluefin has listed. Kraken has already listed this coin. So I really use central exchange for this coin, and I think Ponka has also potential to be the next $5 to $10 billion market cap coin. Our next meme coin is third, and in this list, last meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem. Okay, friends, this name is Nacho the Cat. I'm holding this coin on CoinEx exchange, 0.4 times $0.36 current price, $10 million market cap. I think this is a high market cap meme coin and was the first ever meme coin in Caspa ecosystem. So $10 million market cap. This is good. We are 95% down in this all time high. This is also good that we can buy this coin at low price. Gate.io and CoinEx has already list this coin, so this is massive listing for Nacho the Cat coin price. This meme coin has potential to reach maybe $1 to $3 billion market cap. From just 10 million, we can see its market cap up to 1 to maybe $3 billion. There will be exactly 100 to 300x profit from here. And friends, our last meme coin is Moog coin. So these were the my most favorite meme coins. I'm also holding these all meme coin. I show you some of them, but if I show you all meme coin, then this video can maybe cross 40 minutes also. So I'm also holding Moog, and Moog is one of my most favorite meme coin. Moog is already listed on Coinbase, and I think Binance can also list this coin this year. Coin has currently 6 zeros in its price. Current market cap 146 million. So market cap is also good and 90% down the all time high. They were 4 months ago. Already listed on Gate.io, Coinbase, and I already show you that maybe we can see its listing on Binance also this year. And Moog has definitely potential to be the next 20 to maybe $30 billion market cap coin. So these are my top 30 best meme coins that I'm also holding, and I think these meme coins can skyrocket in this year. Super cycle meme coins mega bullion. Why do you think? Are there any other meme coins they are better than these 30 meme coins? You can must comment down below. And friends, like this video, share this video with your friends, and support Sky Crypto channel.